What's up, Broncos? My name is Nikayla Powell, and this is your Week in Review. Not long after the start of the new year, World War III became a popular subject in both news headlines and meme pages. With the jokes came along serious discussions into the U.S. draft policy. News editor Will Walton gave a brief look into the history of the draft and the role universities played in the service. Bronco hockey continues their winless streak in their game against Minnesota Duluth, losing in their Friday game and tying on Saturday to win in overtime. Sports reporter Derek Patterson gives a rundown of the game, highlighting the highs and the lows of the match. The Human Library Book Event will be making its second appearance at WMU on February 12th at 6:30 p.m. at Waldo Library, bringing with it community speakers to share their experiences. Community and Culture Lead reporter Chris Carr spoke to organizers of the event to get a preview of what's to come. And finally, our headline story for the week, coinciding along with everyone's New Year's resolutions. The Student Rec Center is to host their New Year, New You event all day, Wednesday, January 15th. Community and Culture Editor James Gilby gave a preview of the day, highlighting the different programs, events, and activities to take place. There you have it, Broncos. If you want to read this week's headlines and many more stories on what's going on around Western, pick up your copy of the Western Herald or visit westernherald.com. This has been Nikayla Powell signing off.